In today's competitive environment, managing relationships effectively requires more than just spreadsheets and reminders. It demands a full featured system that fits your business model. SuiteCRM is an open source CRM platform that delivers powerful enterprise level tools without the limitations or price tag of mainstream CRMs. Unlike SaaS options that charge by seat and limit customization, SuiteCRM is self hosted or cloud hosted software that puts you in full control. You can manage leads, automate workflows, track support tickets, create custom modules, and analyze performance all in one central location. So, whether you're a growing startup, a nonprofit, or an enterprise team with complex sales and support workflows, Suite CRM gives you the freedom and flexibility to tailor the platform exactly to your needs. In this video, we'll break down Suite CRM's most essential features and explain why it is a smart long-term solution for managing your sales pipeline, customer relationships, and internal operations. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the custom sales pipeline and opportunity tracking. Suite CRM's Opportunities module gives you a fully customizable pipeline where you can track deals from early contact to closing. You can set up multiple stages, assign estimated values and close dates, and connect opportunities to contacts, accounts, and team members. Everything is visualized in a reportable sales funnel. This gives you clear visibility into your deal flow, upcoming revenue, and sales performance without needing to adapt your process to someone else's CRM logic. You can create a workflow that fits your exact business model. Another key feature is the lead, contact, and account management. Suite CRM has distinct modules for leads, contacts, and accounts. Leads can be qualified and converted into contacts and accounts automatically. Each contact or company profile displays all related interactions, emails, meetings, notes, documents, opportunities, cases, and more. By organizing relationships across your sales funnel, you ensure no one gets overlooked. Every stakeholder's full history is available to your team, helping improve handoffs, personalization, and engagement. Another key feature is the workflow automation engine. The built-in workflow module allows you to automate recurring processes based on triggers and conditions. For example, you can automatically assign leads to a user when a form is filled out, schedule follow-up tasks after deals close, or send reminder emails for overdue invoices. You reduce the need for manual task creation or micromanaging daily follow-ups. Suite CRM acts as your visual assistant, keeping operations smooth and ensuring that no process falls through the cracks. Another key feature is the customer support and case management. Suite CRM includes a full ticketing system through the Cases module. This allows you to track customer support issues, link them to accounts and contacts, assign priority levels, and follow each one through resolution. Support agents and sales reps can collaborate in one environment. It turns your CRM into a complete service hub, not just a sales tool. You'll be able to maintain high quality support without relying on a separate platform while keeping customer data unified across departments. Another key feature is the custom reports and dashboard. The reporting tools in Suite CRM allow you to analyze everything from lead conversion rates and sales forecasts to case resolution times and employee productivity. With real time, personalized analytics, teams can make informed decisions faster. Executives see the big picture while staff members track daily performance, all from within the same workspace. So, why is Suite CRM a great choice? Suite CRM's greatest strength is that it's entirely open source. You can install it on your own server, host it with a trusted provider, or use a managed cloud option, whichever suits your IT environment. Because it's open and modular, developers can add new fields, build automation logic, or create new modules without hitting license walls. It's also one of the most cost-efficient options on the market, especially for teams with many users or niche workflows that require customization. Unlike SaaS tools with rising costs per user, Suite CRM lets you scale without penalty. So, whether you're running sales, marketing, support, or even project delivery out of your CRM, Suite CRM can be extended and configured to handle it all without vendor lock in or usage restrictions. So basically, Suite CRM is a robust, adaptable, and privacy conscious CRM platform that delivers all the core capabilities of a high end CRM without the recurring costs or rigidity. Its flexibility makes it perfect for businesses that need more control over their data, workflow, and reporting structure. With tools for managing opportunities, automating tasks, resolving customer issues, and generating in depth insights, Suite CRM acts as a central command center for growing organizations. It gives your team a single platform to collaborate, follow up, and drive revenue while remaining in full control of how it's hosted and customized. So if you're ready to upgrade from spreadsheets or break free from a restrictive CRM subscription, Suite CRM offers a powerful, community driven alternative worth exploring. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.